with holographic sticker paper, you know that it can be a real problem getting those registration marks to register. The benefit of the Siser cutting machines is that you actually have a camera as opposed to an optic eye, which means that you can easily see that registration mark come up in your user interface. You simply use your up and down and side to side arrows to position the red cursor in the registration mark right at that point there. When you hit OK, you'll see that the blue lines then move to register that corner. Then it's simply a matter of moving that red cursor up again until it is right in the center of those blue lines. Then you hit OK again, and your machine will proceed to register. If it happens on any of the other registration marks, you simply repeat the process, and then your machine is cutting. And you've created some absolutely stunning holographic stickers.